An 8.7 magnitude earthquake in Russia's Far East early Wednesday triggered tsunami warning across parts of Japan, Alaska, and Hawaii. Damage and evacuations were reported in Russian regions closest to the epicenter on the Kamchatka Peninsula. The Pacific Tsunami Warning Center stated that waves between 1 and 3 meters above normal tide levels may occur along coastal areas of Hawaii, Chile, Japan, and the Solomon Islands. Waves exceeding 3 meters in height could occur along parts of the Russian and Ecuadorian coastlines. Japan's meteorological agency issued a tsunami alert for Japan's Pacific coast, citing that 3 meters waves could reach northern coastal areas in under 30 minutes after the alert was issued. The Pacific Tsunami Warning Center noted that the quake had generated a tsunami capable of causing damage along the shores of the Hawaiian Islands. The quake occurred at 8:25 a.m. Japan time with an initial magnitude of 8.0, according to both Japanese and U.S. seismologists. Japan and the U.S. Geological Survey later upgraded it to magnitude 8.7, with the USGS reporting a depth of 19.3 kilometers. The earthquake struck about 250 kilometers from Hokkaido, the northernmost of Japan's 4 main islands, and was felt only midly, according to Japan's NHK television. Russia's state news agency reported from the largest city near the epicenter, Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky, that many people ran into the streets without shoes or outwear. Cabinets in homes collapsed, mirrors shattered, cars shook on the streets, and balconies on buildings swayed violently. The US-based National Tsunami Warning Center in Alaska issued a tsunami warning for parts of Alaska Aleutian Islands and advisory for portions of the West Coast, including California, Oregon, Washington, and Hawaii. Early in July, 5 powerful earthquakes, the largest measuring 7.4 magnitude, struck the sea near Kamchatka. The largest quake occurred at a depth of 20 kilometers and was located 144 kilometers east of Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky, a city of 180,000 people.